On the basis of verse number 104 of Surah Yusuf, he frames his question, Huzur. It is A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wama aktharun nasi walau harasta bimu'minin. His question is this applicable for every age, or it is just related to the age of Prophet?
Every age. Every prophet wishes all the people to become mu'mineen, believers. And unfortunately, most of them refuse. So, this is particularly addressed to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who wanted the whole world to become Muslim. So, harasta is particularly the state of Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's heart. We said, you wish, of course, but we will not turn everybody into Muslim. Allah judges best what sort of person he is.